She's probably gonna get out. Yeah. Run! Oh no, the door's not open. How unfortunate. Gotcha! Mom! Fucking ridiculous. Woo. Good job. Yeah. GG. GG. I'm tilting. I'm not tilting. I play this game. I know what happens. But that was my last game and I'm sick of this. I'm never playing this again. Ah, it's the joy of online games. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Don't mention the word again. I do hit my desk. That's right. I do a little. Hit the desk. Listen, alright? I'm just a shark. I have emotions just like you. And sometimes I need to express those emotions when I play emotional games that make me really angry. Like this game is not that bad. I'm still cute. Right? Thank you. Arigato. Cat ears, Doko. I'm a shark. Listen. How many times do I have to... no, I wanted to wear... Listen, I think I wanted to wear with... I just wanted to wear this one, okay? Cat ears don't go. They're in the box, alright? They're in my costume box. Does that make you feel better? Do I like dogs? Yes, I like dogs. Fake cat. Stop it, you. I see you have a gold membership tag on you. Stop it. Stop this right now. What else is in my costume box? That's a secret. I can't tell you that. If I told you that, I'd have to lock you inside the box so you couldn't get out and tell anybody. And you don't want that, do you? That would not be very fun. Because I don't think there's any air holes in it. And I would more than likely forget that you're in there. So... Spare tails? What does that mean? Do you not think I'm a real shark? How am I supposed to prove to you that I am in fact a real shark? Fake shark. Fake cat. What's next? What's next? Actually, don't answer that. I don't want to know what you can come up with. Gura, why are you Gura? I ask myself that question every day. Why am I Gura? Why am I shark? Why is Chet Chet? Why are you you? Why am I me? I me, I you. Why are you Chad? Just to suffer? No. Is being Chad suffering? Being Chad is cute. Being Chad is funny. Being Chad is fast. Being Chad is... cute. Can you bark? Is that wolf bark? You said wolf, so I wolf. Wolf. Wolf!
Oh, Gura, Gura, do you have any clue who I am? Listen up, cause I'll tell you once, and I'll explain myself the best that I can. Oh, Gura, Gura, you don't know me, so I'll have to persist.